Hello everyone, how are you? Today I will show new release products in shoe, jewelry and watch accessories. Product number 1, ProCase Jewelry Organizer, Stone Necklace Organizer, Earring Holder, 6-tiered jewelry, Stone Necklace Holder with 15 hooks, Jewelry Tower Display, Rack Stress Tree for bracelets, earring, rings, black. Product number 2, Arch Support for Women Plantar, facilitates pain relief, 2023 upgraded non-slip, inserts with secure, breast adjustable compression, sleeve bands with gel pads for flat feet, high and fallen arch. Product number 3, Ecolock Flower Shoe Charms for Girls, Women, Ecolock Flower Shoe Charms for Girls, Women. Product number 4, Blood Sugar Monitor was 2023 new diabetic watch, glucose monitor, pressure, heart rate, body temperature, sports smart watch with blood pressure, blood oxygen tracking, pink. Product number 5, Figley Gel Heel, cups for heel, pain relief 4-pack, heel cushion heel, calves plantar, facilitates gel heel, pads pain heel, supports heel pain shoe, heel inserts, men women heel, spur relief products. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscription button, press the bell icon and customer review. Check out the description to find the product links.